Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer your data from the Motorola to Samsung phone. So at the start we need the Send Anywhere app on both devices. So go to the Google Play Store and install it. After that just open it. Accept the terms and confirm. Now you have to grant permissions to the app. And now if you want to migrate the data from the Motorola, just select the separate apps. You can use the tabs with the photos, videos, audio apps. If you want to send the apps, for example, like this one, just select it and choose Send in this place. Now tap on the Receive on the Samsung and agree the terms again. Okay, now just click OK here and type this number in this place on the Samsung phone. Click Receive. And how you can see, the migrating data process starts automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.